Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. This is Leena Thawani, your tarot reader. If you all must have noticed, just few days back it was on my story regarding myths on tarot. So, myths and tarot, you must be thinking, what is it? So, let me make few things very clear to you all. What was the reason for me to put that story on my Insta? Well, the reason to put that thing on my Insta was very simple because what was happening, you all were asking me a question and then you all didn't know how to frame your questions. Now, let it be me or any other tarot reason, it's not compulsory that you have to take your readings from me, but irrespective, whomever you're taking your readings from, this is very important that you all should know that how you're framing your question, because what happens that you're trying to combine two questions into one, like trying to get maximum benefits out of one question and get two answers. So that is a myth what people think ki if ma'am and ask me yes or no, so I will say will I get married and will I be happy. So now you tell me, how can I tell you an answer? It can be either for one of them. So even you won't be knowing for what, like for what have I said yes or no, right? I'm just giving you basic example. Now when I say try to make your question short, I mean to say, will I get married? Full stop. Period. But how does the question come? If I'm asking you, like, ask me the question starting from when. If I'm asking you, like you're asking me any question, for an example, how does your question comes? When I'll get married, will I go to London? Array, you asked me one question which you really want to know. Now you want to know whether you will get married and will you even go to London after your question. So that becomes a bit difficult for tarot also, na? So you're confusing my cards also, yeah. So please, if you are really serious on knowing the proper answer, make sure very specific on questioning your question. Like, will I get married? When it is like when, and when it is yes and no, I am doing this, will I succeed? Yes or no. It's very clear for me to give you answer. When I'm saying like ask me any question, you can ask me any question, but try to be point full stop question. Will I get this? How will it go? Should I do this or not? Your answer should be that way. But your question should not be like long question, full stop, comma. You just have a small basic question with a full stop. Your question should end there. What you all do, you all keep on make asking in one into two question and then you all expect me to give you the answer. Not possible, na? Not possible for anybody, not only me, be it anybody, will not able to give you a proper answer. So you have to be very clear, not only in connecting to asking me a question, but even let it be your normal life. You're supposed to be very specific what you want. See, universal energies and all are very straightforward. They don't believe in beating around the bushes and then you try to ask too many things. You're confusing everybody. Like, it's better to be very specific. So I think I've made this thing very, very, very clear. Now Diwali is there. We are going to be having some or the other offer may be coming up. So for your own benefit, make sure that whenever you're framing a question, it should be specific to your real urgent need. So even you know that, oh, madam has given me this answer and this answer I really needed. So it benefits you more than me. It's nothing that I am going to gain anything out of giving you an answer. I have any which ways never benefited from giving any answers as such, right? So make sure, please, very humble request, be it me or any other tarot reader, be very specific what you want. It becomes very clear and easy for us to answer. Okay, so enjoy yourself. Have a very, very safe Diwali. Be in touch. Response to my stories, and that is how we are going to be in touch, right? No other way we can be in touch. But when I'm putting up some stories and all, I like to, though I always get 100+ interactions, I do get good response from my Insta group. So stay tuned. This is the only way we can be together, and be tuned. I'm going to be coming up with something as usual. Leena Thawani signing out for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.